Damn it. This dog has an incredible nose. Fuck. I literally took the deer leg, threw it into that bush. It was sitting out here, okay, in front of the van. And then I watched Yuki just kind of trot, following his nose all the way. Stopped, peed on the post, kept going. And now he's in the bush where I threw the deer leg. Wait for it. Oh, victory. Fuck. That damn dog. He's so pleased. He's like, let me bring it right back out here. Oh my god, look what I've got! I'm so happy. What a bad dog. Oh, shoot, Yuki. God damn it. I'm so happy. Oh. Hey! It's like I have to let him have it. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, no. Yuki, are you hungry? Okay, let's eat and then not go back outside again, okay? Oh, hi, hummingbird. Hey, let's eat.